SOLIDWORKS has a wide range of capabilities, but this didn't happen overnight. Every year, SOLIDWORKS introduces a new set of improved features and capabilities, and this is no different in the 2024 release. We'll be providing a breakdown of some of the latest and greatest, but there's no shortage of enhancements, so we'll be breaking it down into focus sections. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay notified when the next breakdown is posted. In this video, we'll be diving into some of the enhancements with the SOLIDWORKS user interface. Regardless if you work with solid models, surfacing, sheet metal, or beyond, the enhancements to the SOLIDWORKS user interface will be sure to improve your day-to-day. Our first improvement we'll take a look at is the ability to use your graphics card to generate edges in SOLIDWORKS. This will provide you a much smoother experience with panning and rotating models. As you can see here, a comparison without the hardware acceleration and with the hardware acceleration, you can just see how much of a difference that makes. Next up, we have the ability to now define which coordinate system will be defined as the output when exporting a SOLIDWORKS part to something such as a step file. Now, to demonstrate this workflow, you can see that we have a coordinate system in this part here. When we go to use the save as command, we'll switch over to an export file type such as step, and we'll use step for this example here. And when we choose step, we now have the option to define the output coordinate system. So we can choose that coordinate system 1 that we had defined in this part and go ahead and click save. Now that we've exported the step, let's go ahead and open it up to demonstrate the functionality. So we'll go ahead and open up this step. And when we have the import completed, we'll rotate the model around and highlight the origin. And we can see now with the visibility of that origin turned on, it is right in the location of that coordinate system 1 in the SOLIDWORKS part. As a review, in SOLIDWORKS 2024, we're able to use our graphics card to accelerate the generation of edges, and we're able to define which coordinate system is used as the origin when exporting parts. Improvements to the user interface may not always steal the show, but the user-intuitive nature of SOLIDWORKS is part of how it became the powerhouse it is today. Be sure to contact us if you're interested in learning more about getting up to date with the latest release of SOLIDWORKS. In our next video, we'll be taking a look at the improvements to the SOLIDWORKS parts and features, so be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified if you haven't already.